Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rauda Camelia and my student number A134. Today I will present about the comprehensive summary of 10 case studies for English specific purpose need analysis across various fields ranging from the hotel industry, engineering, or the school. This video will consolidate the overall understanding, objective, methodology, and the kind findings of the ESP or English for specific purpose need analysis. The first is the definition or the meaning of ESP. Essentially, ESP is an approach English teaching or learning that is designed to meet the specific purpose or needs to learners in a particular occupational, academic, or professional domains. The most crucial overall understanding is relevance. ESP focuses the curriculum, the materials, and the activities on the learner's truly needs to success in the target situation. Therefore, the main goal is not always to teach English in general, but as a functional tools for specific needs or tasks for the learners in the defined major or the goals for the learners. The goals or EFP based on study I review from the 10th study case. ESP need analyze. So for the three primary objectives, often referred as the triangle of the necessary, likes, and wants. And to find out the tasks the learner will perform and what English skill they need or wants, absolutely require, like for example, the hotel staff, it must be able to explain about the hotel, about the service in the hotel, about the direction in the location in the near from the hotel, and then for the student in the some objects like the nursing, they must be able know about the vocabulary in the nursing or the doctoral, and maybe like in the marketing, the student from the marketing subjects must be able know about the vocabulary in the marketing. And then the design ESP is also designed about the curriculum, and the ultimate goal is an ensure the curriculum, syllabus, and learning materials are 100% relevant to the learner's need, professional needs, as highlighted in the Iberian architects and Indonesian nursing studies, and the marketing of the hotel staff. For the data analysis from the 10 study case, usually use like the mixed method, or like the data collection, maybe can using the qualitative survey, quantitative survey, interview and observation, like in the school. The researchers must be what is objective, no, and the next mix methods, like the quantitative and qualitative, they usually use in the instrument data collecting, and for the participant of the collecting data is such as like the staff, hotel, the manager, the student, the lecturers, and maybe can be teachers what when it's what is when it's observation in school, maybe can the respondent or the participant, like student and teacher, and maybe the staff at school. And then the data collection technique, based on the 10 study case, they usually using like the observation, like the questionnaire, interview, like this. And and for the data analyze technique is like the descriptive statistic, like the percentage, and then the thematic analysis, and then the descriptive analyze. For the results of the need analyze, it's dominant with the speaking, reading, and writing skill the learners needs from the major or the some professions. From the conclusion, in summary, ESP need analyze is a crucial and systematic and then multi-perspective for the learners process. It ensures that the English language instruction suffers as a truly need from the learners, an effective bridge between the classroom and the specific professionals or academic world. By the integrating data from the study case, we can design the curriculums that not only teach the English for the learners, but empower learners to achieve their professional tasks. Maybe that's all for me about the simple or the summary from the 10 study case of the ESP. That's all for me. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.